Hi, my loves, and happy new year. Today is actually the 1st of January, so it's the first day of the new year, and I didn't do anything too crazy last night. Kind of stayed in with my boyfriend, and we just did like a cute little pasta and wine night. We had no plans to go out this year. We both wanted to wake up not hungover today. So yeah, it was really fun. Woke up today feeling good, but I came back from spending Thanksgiving and Christmas with my family, and right before that, I had just moved into this apartment. So yeah, there's just been a lot of changes. Moved here, threw everything in the room, and then left for Christmas with my family. Today's gonna be a reset with me for the new year / for the week. I have work on Thursday and Friday, and then we have like a weekend, thank goodness, because I'm not ready to go back to work. I am so excited for this new year. I feel like it's gonna bring so many amazing things. 2024 was really great to me, and I just feel so blessed. So today we're going to do a little reset to get back on track. Let me show you the state of my room. I have a ton of clothes that I just unpacked from a suitcase that I had, and I just had to throw that on the bed. I have all these clothes here. These are clean clothes. I had to figure out a place where to put them because a lot of them went in my dresser, but they don't fit in this new dresser that I bought. So I have to figure out how to put everything away. There's stuff on the floor here. I have extra bags. I have sunglasses. I still don't know how I'm going to put those away, but we just have to clean this room. Oh my God. Also, let me tell you what happened with my bed. So basically I ordered a queen size mattress and then a full size bed frame, and I'm obsessed with the bed frame. The room is a little bit smaller, so I want to stick with like the full size. So someone's going to come and pick up the mattress on Friday, and I have a full size mattress already on its way. It should be here tomorrow. So that's the state of like my mattress. So if it looks kind of wonky, it's because it's not the right size. Oh, also I got a new camera for Christmas. It's so cute, and I'm just kind of like testing it out. We'll see how the quality is. I have a wide angle lens on it right now, so let me know if you hate it because it's definitely new for me. So I also have to clean the kitchen, but I think I had too much coffee and nothing to eat, and so I'm like shaking. So I had La Colombe today, and I love their coffees. I don't know how much caffeine is in the large, but I get a little like shaky, and I think it's like too much. Like I feel like my heart's gonna beat out of my chest. So I'm gonna have some eggs because I haven't eaten anything today yet, and I really need to. These egg whites expired, so I can't have egg whites, but I'm just gonna have eggs. Sometimes I like to mix a little bit of these like egg whites with some eggs. It's bad. This is the bread I use. It's Dave's Killer Bread Good Seed. Thin sliced always. I always do thin sliced. So that way I'm not eating so much bread. So yummy. That's good.
Oh, it just sits.
Oh no, it doesn't stay. I'm gonna see if this fits in. Shoot. It's not gonna clear it out. Alright guys, sorry if you can hear my washer. This is how my closet looks right now. I had these clear shoe boxes from my last apartment and I thought that they would look cute there. I think they do, but I don't know. I think they might look better down there. And then I was thinking about moving some of these boxes underneath my bed because as you guys saw, my bed can lift up. Unfortunately, I can't put my suitcase under there because it's too thick. It's not gonna close all the way and I don't wanna crack my suitcase if I'm on it. So I think if I put some of these boxes underneath the bed and then put the shoes there, and then I can like fold some pants and have folded pants up here, it should look good. It's just because I was counting on this dresser having a lot more room, but it really doesn't. Like this, like underwear, socks, and like bras. And then I even have more bras up here. I used to have like a sock drawer, an underwear drawer, and then a bra drawer, but because I have such a little room and these are so small, I had to condense it. This drawer is just my uniforms for work alone, which I'd like for it to not take up so much room, but they do. And then this drawer down here is all of my PJs. So let's try to move some things around. So let's see how that looks. I think I'll keep like one box here just because this is my stuff I use every day. It's like my camera equipment. So probably keep this box here, but everything else can go under the bed. What we have now, I think this looks a lot better because I can't put my pants down here folded. It makes more sense to have my pants the top shelf here folded. So I'm just gonna do shoes down there. I think it looks pretty good. And then I'll have to get some of those like acrylic dividers so that I can fold my pants and just set them up there, or sweaters too. I can even add another shelf, I think, for another additional storage. And we can just stack these jeans up. Okay, so now I have this box that's full of like snowboarding and just like snow gear. I'm gonna put it in this plastic bag, which was actually holding all of my like swimsuits that I wanted to donate, but I just put it in a separate bag so that I can donate. And now I'm gonna put stuff in this bag. This bag's actually really good because it's one of those bags that you can attach one of those pumps and then suck the air out of here so that it's like more compressed. I don't have that thing right now, but this is just gonna fit a lot better under my bed. It's a lot later and I decided to take a break because I have been in my room all day, like organizing, doing laundry, and we're watching The Last Holiday and we ordered crepes. We got chocolate bash They're so good. I got
Belgian chocolate.
Belgium milk chocolate, and then I got strawberries as my topping. And yeah, this is just what we're watching. I'm looking extra thick these days, so.
Let that shit, the curves and shit.
Tomorrow morning, it's over. He said curves, so bad. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to the gym. I don't want curves. I want to be like skin and bones.
Skin and bones is crazy.
Oh my god, also, if you see my eyebrows and you're wondering what's going on, I did my makeup and then plucked, and then when I took my makeup off, I only had this much eyebrow left. So that's what's going on here. I'm not that sad about it because I like thin brows. I'm not like a thick brow girl. Anyway, I just have to just keep drawing the tail on like every single day so that it doesn't look super bad. But this one turned out so cute. She's so skinny. It was a successful reset day, but there was just like so much to do and my room takes so long, and it's like I don't have like all the things I need. Like now I really need to get like acrylic dividers so that I can divide my jeans from my leggings, from my dress pants, from on that top shelf where my shoes used to be. So once I get those acrylic dividers, everything will look better, but hopefully I can be done with that soon. But yeah, that is everything for today. I was trying to explain to Brian. Wait. I was trying to explain to Brian different vibes or like aesthetics. And so I was trying to tell him like, oh yeah, like it's like cutesy, like coquette. And he goes, she's a coquette. He literally goes, she's a coquette. Anyways, okay, now I'm going, guys. Just had to share that. Thank you so much for watching today's reset. I love you guys so much and Happy New Year.